The timeshare with increasing maintenance fees, the one you can't use.
It can also be transmitted by...
The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
Here we go.
Although we don't know it, we suspect that if you have an infection in your mouth, that you could potentially spread it by kissing.
To you, Laurie McGinley, tell me about the boys in this case. What
Another attention tone.
message are the young boys getting from pediatricians?
This station is participating in the test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was the test.
93.3 NPR News. And there are 3 attention tones, including the ones that I just heard.
This station is participating in the test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.